Gold IRAs are supposed to protect your savings, but some companies quietly charge fees that cost you thousands without you realizing it. The biggest one to watch for? It's the spread. That's the difference between what you pay to buy gold and what you would get if you needed to sell it back. Some dealers list spreads as high as 25% or more, but bury the real number in bundles, vague language, or fine print. That's why I recommend downloading the free company comparison checklist. I'll link it down below. It shows you 5 must-ask questions that help you avoid hidden fees and shady sales tactics, including the number one question that could save you tens of thousands. What's the spread? You will learn how to spot hidden fees, how to ask for the real numbers in writing, and how to tell if a company is trying to dodge your question. Just a tip, if they won't give you the exact spread in writing, walk away. You can download the checklist free using the link in the description. Don't lose thousands before you even start investing. Use the checklist to cut through confusion and pick a gold IRA company that's transparent, fair, and focused on your future.